Hello everyone, welcome back to BetterNet. Today we are going to explore one of the most useful feature of this platform, which is a homework helper. So if you have ever struggled with the tricky questions, this tool is here to help. It provides the step-by-step solution in an easy language and even explain the terms that are used in the problem for better understanding. So let's check it out. So to get started, you simply just need to click on the homework helper, and here you have to upload the image of that question that you are going to ask, and in a few seconds AI will generate a detailed solution for you. So now let me show you how exactly homework helper works. I'll upload 4 different questions from physics, chemistry, maths and bio to see that how it provides the solution step by step. So let's start. So here are the questions that I am going to upload in the homework helper to see that how it provides the solutions to these questions. So let's start with our first question, a math problem. So the question is, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is ₹8, and for the subsequent distance, it is ₹5 per kilometer. Taking your distance covered is X kilometer and total fare is ₹Y. So basically we have to write a linear equation for this question. So let's see that how it answers the question. So we just need to upload the question, and you can see that in a moment homework helper will provide a detailed step-by-step solution for you. So here you can see the steps. As you can see that it doesn't just give the final answer, but it explains each step clearly and making it easier to understand the logic behind the solution. So this approach also helps you to solve similar problems like this. So this is the final answer of the question. So as you can see that it is very simple language used in this platform, which is very easy to understand. So now let's move forward and let's try the physics question. So here you can see the physics question. So this question is, a large truck and a car both moving with a velocity of magnitude v have a head-on collision and both of them come to a halt after that. The collision lasts for 1 second. So as you can see, we have 4 different questions in this particular question. So let's see that how homework helper answer this. So let's upload the physics question here. So it take a moment. Okay, so here you can see the solution of the physics question. So you can see that it doesn't just solve the problem, but also explain the concepts as well in a simple way, and it provides the concise yet detailed answer. And there is one of the interesting feature we have. You can see that we have the feature of understanding. Here you can see that it explains all the terms that are used in this particular question, so which makes learning much easier. And you can see that it answers each question in steps as well, and after explaining everything, the final answer. So it is very easier to understand the particular section of this question. So let's check out the chemistry question now. Let's say hydrogen carbonate is a basic salt. Justify this statement. How is it converted into a washing soda? So let's see that how homework helper answered this question. Whether it's a chemical equation or a conceptual question, homework helper provides the step-by-step down of this particular question to make it easier to understand. So let's see that how it answers this question. So here you can see that it firstly explains the terms, that what is sodium hydrogen carbonate, what is basic salt. Then it justifies the basic salt, that how sodium hydrogen carbonate is considered as basic salt. It write its formation and properties and explain the whole reason of this particular section. Then the next question in this section is that how it can be converted into a washing soda. So as you can see that it shows the whole chemical process and also provide the chemical equation of this. And at last it mentioned the result part as well. And after combining the whole questions, it mentioned the answer here. So basically, if there are some specific terms in a question, it explains the meaning of those particular terms before solving the problem. As you can see that it provides the explanation of sodium, hydrogen, carbonate, and basic salt. So this is the answer provided by homework helper. So let's move forward to the next question we have. So finally, let's try a bio question. So the question is, state the reasons for the following. So in this also we have two different sections. In the first part, then there is the second part. So let's see that how homework helper answer this bio question. So we just upload the bio question here. Okay, so as you can see that it doesn't just give you a particular answer, it also provides the clean and clear explanation of the definitions and key concepts to improve your understanding. This feature is especially useful for theory-based subjects like bio, where understanding concepts is just as important as knowing the answer. So as you can see that first question is, why herbivores have longer small intestine compared to carnivores. So as you can see, firstly they explain the herbivores, then carnivores, and then provide you the reason that why they have longer small intestine. Then move to the next question. So next question we have, why human lungs are designed to maximize the area for gas exchange. So you can see that in a different steps it provides you the answer, and also gives you the section of quick note as well, that more surface area is equal to more efficient gas exchange. Then it also provide the separate section of this particular question. Here you can see this part also contains the answer in steps, and there you can see the final answer. So this is all about the homework helper, and that's how homework helper works. So if you need any help with any question, this tool ensures that you are not only get the right answer but also understand the concept behind it. So try it out for yourself and let us know what you think in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like,